You miss me? Ay, Papa is there. Ay, shush. Ay. Oh, ay. Oh. Ay. Ay, shush. Bakit man? Perminte man na magkita. Huh? Oh, mabibi ka. Ayun siya, uy. Ganyan guys, every day. After work, even at lunchtime, pag uwi ko sa bahay, yun yung welcome sa akin. It's a very beautiful feeling inside na somebody is there or welcoming you with just pure love, and not a person can give you that kind of unconditional love. Maybe some, but not in my experience. So it's just a beautiful feeling, and it's really nice for your mental health. Say hi to the camera. Grabe ka pa, babe. Come here. Hakuri! Hak. Kaning garo sa ako ang kaupan. Dili nagauli sa ilaha. Dili na perminti sa balay. Hak, pauli dito sa inyo wakaw. Biko ato. Let me change. Okay. Ay! Let me see the hand. Ayaw. Ay, siya pa. Let me see the hand. Kapamaak. Let me see the hand. Ay. Let me see the feet. Ay, kuto, eh. Tingnan natin yung kuto. Hindi tigil ako sa iba, eh. Grabe ka pa, bebe.